From the Oil Region Library Association.
I'm Skylar Green from Valley Grove Elementary.
And today we'd like to share with you our nature rafts. What is a nature raft? Well, honestly, the name is pretty self-explanatory. It's a raft you create using outside materials. Let me show you mine. Now, I just took twigs, like these ones here. They're hollow, so I felt that they would float nice. You can find them from a hydrangea plant or something similar. And I tied my twigs together with some long grass, and I added flowers just to give it a nice aesthetic appearance. Skylar, would you like to explain your raft?
Yep. This is my raft. It's based off of a pirate ship. It uses bark, rocks, mud, flowers, sticks, those little helicopter things, and a big clover of some type.
So really, as you can see, you can build your rafts with anything that you can find outside. Hopefully this will spark your creativity. Now, follow us to the bathtub and let's see how well these rafts float. Because overall, that is the main purpose of these rafts, is to be able to float in water. Skylar's going to put our rafts in the tub for us and let's see if they float.
Starting with Mom's.
Woohoo! Alright, put yours in, Sky. Let's see how yours does. Oh, no. It's a bit top heavy. So this might take a little bit of trial and error. When you're done, maybe you can go to a creek or find a running water source and you can see how quickly they go down the stream. Thank you for joining us today.
Bye.